guys, back at it again with another freaking video of stunt semi. We're about to leave because the green light, we moved back. Now the trailer is hooked, so all we have to do is tell the guy that we're gonna go, and bam, we're going, guys. We're not gonna be home till 2 in the morning. Yeah, 2 in the morning. In the freaking morning! 2 in the morning, guys. Come on, freaking bad, I got shoes. Come on, freaking what? Someone's on my name. Yes, I think. Bumped my knee with my bad knee. Hurts. You gonna go?
Well, we gotta pull ahead and
In my bed. I'm gonna get my blanket in a sec. Whoa. Okay, he told the guy that we're gonna leave. We were just going. He said something about whoa. That's freaking down. I gotta go, cause are we leaving? Your paperwork?